Good morning. It is day one of my trip to Bali. It's still really early in the morning. I don't really want to open this because I don't know what type of little creepy crawlies are out there. Or maybe I will just go out. Let's check this out. Thought I'd give you guys a little tour of my room. So this is the balcony of where I am staying. I don't really want to like talk too loud because I'm sure a lot of people are still sleeping. I got up super duper early. So my room is basically at like the front of the villa. Actually, no, let me leave that open because the lighting is not that great in here. Anyways, yeah, so I'm basically at the front of the villa. This is the room. There's nothing to it. Here's a little couch. Here is the bed that I slept in. Huge bed. I don't know if this is a king or like a super king, but it's ginormous. I slept there very comfortably. This is a little like desk area and a mirror. I can't even show you guys what I look like because I look crazy. The TV, sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second. This is the TV, like another dresser. My suitcase, nothing special. This is the front door. And I know the lighting is terrible, but that's okay. It'll get better as the day goes on. This is the bathroom. The bathroom stays closed because it is like an open concept sort of. So this is the bathroom. Alright, so when you walk in, immediately to the left is the bathtub. And you got your sink, your toilet. And then this is the shower, that's kind of an open concept. And that's outside. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I also am like connected to somebody next door, so I don't really want to scream. Like I said before, it's really early, so that is that. So I got up super early this morning because I could have sworn I heard the rattle of a snake, and I don't play those games. Snakes are not like, they're just, I don't do them at all for any reason. But yeah, I got up really early because of that. And I've been up ever since, so I'm about to like shower, put some clothes on, go get some breakfast, and then start my day. Today, I think I'm gonna go to, I can't remember. But when I get ready and I get dressed, I'll definitely let you guys know. So I will see you momentarily. All right, guys. I'm still being really quiet because it's super early. I'm the only one out here for breakfast right now because I have to get up and get breakfast early because I'm about to leave in like an hour or so for my excursions. So I had to make sure I was up and ready to eat because I don't think I ate anything like a meal in like the last day and a half. So I need to get my food. Staff is really nice so far. No issues. It's really warm. But I'm not bad. Because after being at home and being in the cold for, I don't even know how long, it feels like his winter has not ended yet. This is a nice change of pace. It's so peaceful. Yeah, can I get the continental?
Continental.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much. The breakfast options aren't that great, but you know what? It's food and I'm not gonna complain. As soon as I get out on the road, I'll get like some tasty food, but for now, I just need to eat so that I don't keel over in the heat. It's a bit dramatic, but that's how I feel. I can't wait to start my day with Putu. He's the best. I think I forgot what he said his second name was. Agus, I think, or Angus. Putu's easy, that's what I can remember. But yeah, he's so nice. I can't wait to like see go different places, see the city with him or the town, and like just experience some of the culture. It's gonna be a good day. Thank you. What's this? Crepe? Crepe? A crepe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's fine, yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, so just finished breakfast and now I'm going back to my room to get ready, shower, and changed so that I can start my day. Because my driver is coming to pick me up in like a little over an hour.
You bring like a chase your clothes, maybe? No?
No, I just have like a swimsuit.
A swimsuit.
Yeah, and like a thing to put over.
Oh.
Yeah. I know in the temple you have to like have lots.
Yeah,
clothes.
later you will get sarong.
Oh, it's wrong. Okay. Okay. What temple are we going to? We're going to the temple right now.
There's a holy spring water temple.
The holy spring water. Okay.
Tirta Ampul.
Tirta
Ampul. Tirta mean like holy water.
Holy water. Okay. So that's where you guys go to like pray and get blessed with holy water?
Yes, for sure. That is
Oh. Okay. It's two different waterfalls, right? Are they close to each other?
Not so close from that. From the temple going to the waterfall, that's around 45 minutes more.
No. Like
Yes, sorry.
between the two waterfalls.
Yeah, two waterfalls.
Are they close to each other? The two waterfalls?
No, these are different. Also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
First, we are going to CEPUNG.
Oh, yeah.
To CEPUNG and then KANTO LAMPO. Is right?
Oh, okay. Is one like more popular than the other?
Yes.
You know, I don't know. I've seen this in Thailand. I don't know if you guys do it here. Like sometimes when I would pass certain places, they would have food, like a dish of like food in front of the temple or water.
In front of the temple.
Yeah, no, you guys don't have that?
Yeah.
Okay. He is going to the washroom and I'm going to pay for my ticket to get in. So yeah, look at this. Okay, this is kind of a deep walk. I'm assuming this is what he's talking about when he says I have to come pay for the tickets. It must be here. Ow. Must be here. So I thought you had to pay to go to the waterfall, but I don't know. She just told me to go over here as if like I don't need to. Hi. We'll see what Putu says when he comes back. This must be where you go to buy the ticket. Let's see what this guy says. It is a lot of walking, let me tell you that. Okay. Hi. This is where I get the ticket? Okay. This is about to be a steep walk back up. Down here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is my waterfall.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Where you come from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. Just that way? Okay. Let me change my top first. are the change rooms, and I don't think that I can go in there because it looks terrifying. And yeah. So I'm probably not going to go in there to change. I'll probably just change right out here. It's a little bit too close of a space for me. So yeah, let me turn this camera off real quick and change, and then I will be right back. I don't know if I still have all my lashes. I hope so. But I just went and did basically a photo shoot in the waterfalls with this guy. I didn't even get his name. He was so good. You know what his name was?
LAMPO.
No, the guy.
Oh, the guy. No,
Yeah, you don't know his name? It's a really nice waterfall.
Yeah.
What?
Not so high.
Yeah, no.
They have like a view for picture.
It is. The one that I've seen online a lot, is it CEPUNG?
CEPUNG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one seems really popular too.
Yes, yes.
But I like
the
this
waterfall
one.
like inside the cave.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Aren't you tired?
No.
Oh my god.
You feel tired?
It's out of shape. Oh gosh. Like I was saying, just finished doing a bomb photo shoot. And now I need to go get a towel because I didn't bring one. Whew. My gosh. This is a workout on the legs. Do local people come here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a local people.
Edge control, gone. Non-existent. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a praying mantis? Yeah. Ew. Oh, thank you. I can't breathe. It's so bad. We are at the second waterfall. The first one was called, can't remember, but I'll put it in the description below. And the second one is called TUKAD CEPUNG, I think. If I'm saying that right. Putu told me like 3 times already.
Thank you very much.
This one is more stairs, you said, right? More.
There's one more street.
Oh gosh.
This week I bring water.
For the journey.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay. So apparently we have a long way to go down for this one, further than the last one. All right. Let me get ready. I'm too old for this. I'm too old to be doing down this way. Oh, okay. As you can clearly see, I couldn't be bothered to put my top back on because I was just gonna get right back in the water. Oh my god. Ew.
So easy to bring down.
Yeah, so easy. It's like a never-ending walk fest. This way?
Yeah. This is
Okay. Another little shop. The amount of shops that they have on the way down is a sure tell sign of how long of a trek it is. I should really be filming this with my phone. Okay, let me do a video. Currently on my way to the second waterfall. I think it's TUKAD CEPUNG. I think I'm saying it right. I'm probably butchering it, so forgive me. They say it's like a 10-minute walk, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels like eternity at this point. getting closer. Can we walk through the stream? Yeah. Ooh, so cold. Oh, so cold. Okay. The water is like dumb cold. Okay, so I basically have to crawl under this little tunnel to get to the other side. I hope you guys can see this. I'm really not trying to get the camera wet. Sorry. Okay. So pretty. Okay. Go over there? Okay. Oh, very nice. I don't know if you guys can see this. So pretty. I'm gonna take some pictures of this waterfall. Okay, so I am on my way back up from the waterfall. Whoop. This doesn't feel that bad. It doesn't feel that tiring like the other one. So that's a plus. The waterfall is really nice. There was more people at this one, but I think that it went like by pretty quickly, all things considered. Hi. I'm okay. I'm okay, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Whew, I'm tired. I spoke too soon. Time to continue on with the journey upward. And that is what it looks like. So now I'm at the Holy Water Temple, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Holy Water Temple, about to go get a sarong before I go into the temple. I think everybody's getting them from here. Okay. Oh, it doesn't matter. Anybody.
I'm going to try and do mine.
Any color. This is fine. I don't... Actually, this kind of looks cool.
Yeah, yellow's fine.
Yeah, that works.
Can I help you?
Yes. Because yeah, that's okay.
Mind that pink's good for you. Okay. Yes, very good. Yellow.
This is soft?
No, no. It's loose. Perfect. All right. Got my sarong on. So if I was wearing pants, would I be able to go or no? You still have to wear sarong. Oh, okay.
This is a purification ceremony.
It's a purification ceremony? Okay. Sorry.
Before they do a purification,
Yeah.
they need praying before the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And doing some of prayer.
Oh, okay, like the one that's in your car?
Yes.
Well, it's really nice. What is the sign above the water?
This is the name of the Holy Spring.
This the name of the holy spring? That sign?
Yeah, that sign they have a different kind of like a different kind of name, also different for the God.
It's different for the god. Okay. Okay. Oh, so you start all the way over there. Oh, okay.
You can pull one of the greens around and go in there. It's done it. Before we do
Yeah.
we must do like offering.
Okay. So you bring your offering and then you pray here?
Yes.
And then you go in the water?
Yes.
Ah, I see. Okay. History lesson. So you bring an offering. I'm just gonna take it. So before you get in the water, you bring an offering. And you say a prayer. And then when you say your prayer, oh, sorry. You start all the way in the left corner and duck your head under the water all the way to the other side.
Yeah. And then we cannot do for that two places. Yeah, because that's especially for dead body.
Oh,
For dead body.
so which two?
Yeah.
Which ones can't you use?
That one.
Oh, these two right here. So then when would you use it?
Yeah.
Never?
Never.
So,
But sometimes if that someone is, don't know about that, they still use.
Oh wow. The water must be so nice and cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fresh water, right? There's fish in the water?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, good thing I decided. Okay, so I had to tie my hair up to enter the temple. This is the holy pond. Oh my gosh. So beautiful.
Yeah, this water comes from underground. What is that?
It's like a bug. So pretty. Let me take a picture. So now I'm at a local restaurant, about to get something to eat. I just left the temple. So yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat, and then we're probably gonna go to another temple before we go to, I think, like the shopping area. So I'm starving. I'm about to dig in. Okay, so I wanna get this, but oh, it does come on rice. Okay. Can I get the grilled prawn? Alright, I'm gonna get some grilled prawn with rice. Ah. I literally can't wait. So hungry. Now we're at the Elephant Cave Temple. Hello. Okay. Oh wow, a lot of shops here too. Ooh, that dress is pretty. So I just got dropped in Ubud City. Just got dropped in Ubud City Center. I meant to go to like the art market, but I think I want to eat something. I'm okay, thank you. I think I'm gonna go eat something first before I'm okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm going to eat something before I like go and shop around because I'm starving still. Do you work here? Do you guys have converters? Like the plug? Yeah.
Small plug.
Where? On the rack?
On the plug.
The short one? No, not flag. You know, like the plug?
Oh, no. Okay.
No? So I guess that's a no to the plug. She just walked off. So thanks for your help, I guess. Anyways. I'll just get Putu to help me find my, Hi.
Hello.
Hi, just one.
One button?
Yes, please.
Let's have the berries.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, yes, please. Because our table is fully high.
Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
Get some food as well.
And that one as well? Oh, that's just drinks? Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you. I'm at this restaurant called Tropical. And I don't know what I want to eat. The last thing that I had was shrimp and rice, but that did not fill me. So, chicken. Sorry, let me get a drink first. Actually, can I just have a Coke?
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Should I come with ice?
No, thank you. Yeah. Thanks so much. I think I'm just gonna get fried rice with chicken. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry, can I get this one but no egg?
No egg.
Yeah.
Yeah. One nasi goreng Filipino.
Yes. Thank you. I don't typically drink pop like that, especially Coke. But I find that when I'm like in hot climates or if I'm out somewhere and it's hot for a long period of time, I need that cold sugar boost. And Coke is the trick. So let me tell you how I just forgot my whole entire camera at this restaurant. Thank God I just went across the street to get an adapter. And I was wondering why the lady was staring at me. And then I come out the convenience store or whatever, and she's like waving at me, so I'm like smiling and waving back saying hi. And she pointed to the camera and I was like, oh crap. I can't believe I forgot it. Whatever though. Thank goodness I built like a relationship not a relationship, but like I built a good rapport with her and another girl there while I was sitting there. Otherwise, I'm sure this thing would have been gone like a thief in the night. Let me go down here. But yeah, long story short, I'm absent-minded and I need to be very conscious of where I put my things down and picking them back up when I do put them down. Because I definitely can't afford to just leave this hanging. One, because it costs money. One, because it costs a lot of money. And two, then I wouldn't be able to film the rest of my trip for you guys. But she definitely almost hit me. Alright. Now, I'm currently in this art market. Let's see if I find any goodies before I have to meet my driver in like 9 minutes. I need to come back and do this on another day when I have a little bit more time and a little bit more patience. That was overwhelming and hot. Ooh, this is cute, this little romper thing. Yeah, I'll definitely be back when I have more time. Hello. Huh? Oh, no, it's okay. Huh? It's okay. Okay. Let me get back to my driver before I end up lost, because I have no idea where I am right now. I think I'm going the right way. Let me get on the other side of the street. The dogs. Poor dogs.
I'm okay, thank you.
There are a lot of really cute coffee shops. If only I drank coffee, it'd be so useful. It smells like booty out here. My driver said he's meeting me down here, but he didn't give me an exact location, so I'm not sure what down here means. Where is one to go from here? When I say I cannot wait to take a shower, I think I'm gonna go back to the room. I was thinking about going to the pool, but I think I'll just do that tomorrow. Go back to the room. Is that him? No. Sorry, I'm gonna go back to the room, take a shower, and then upload these videos and start editing them because I feel like I haven't updated one in a minute. Ah, there you are. There he is. Are you this way? Are you further back that way? Yeah. Okay. You parked down here? Oh, across the street.
You want to buy a SIM card?
I was thinking about it. Wait, but I thought you said I needed my passport today. Sorry if I look like sweaty McSweaty pants, but it's hot, so yeah, I just have to make do with my sweaty face. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys right now. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification button, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.